Welcome to the Suresh Patel Educational Channel. I am Suresh Patel and Effective. Today, we'll explore key concepts. Make sure to subscribe for more educational content.
Proper maintenance is key to ensuring operational efficiency. Let's explore gearbox care.
नियमित गियरबॉक्स मेंटेनेंस उपकरणों की सुरक्षा, रिलायबिलिटी और प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ाता है।
Proper lubrication is vital for gearbox longevity. Always ensure clean, correct oil. Avoid improper levels or the wrong viscosity to prevent catastrophic failure. In this segment, we cover proper gearbox lubrication. A drop to the yellow zone indicates a warning level. Reaching the red zone is critical and requires immediate action. First, check the breather for blockages. Inspect both shaft seals for integrity. This prevents costly oil leakage. Regular maintenance ensures peak performance. Temperature monitoring is critical. It allows for hotspot detection. This helps prevent overheating and avoids costly downtime. Effective monitoring is the key to machinery reliability. It allows you to detect bearing failure and misalignment before it causes catastrophic breakdown. Proper alignment is critical for industrial machinery. Laser tools precisely measure coupling and shaft offsets. Real-time data guides the correction process, optimal machine performance. Recognize the warning signs. Check for oil leakage. Avoid high temperatures, eliminate excessive vibration, and react to unusual noise. Proper gearbox maintenance requires precision tools. Vibration meters and laser alignment ensures perfect shaft connectivity. Oil analysis reveals internal health. Maintain essential tools.